And the race on number 2, Jacinet Blues rushing up is entry number 8, Queen Mamba, together by Classical Jade. And on the outside, Friends Rhythm, Hoy, tama na, Street Song. Entry number 1, Astra Pinay, slow out. Classical Jade by 2, followed by Queen Mamba. And running by the Street Song, Friends Rhythm is racing import by the is Jacinet Blues, Please Do. And number 5, Hoy, tama na, rounding the 3/4 mile distance. The favorite, Classical Jade by some 2 lengths, followed by Street Song. Jacinet Blues racing in third by another 2 lengths, and moving as Queen Mamba, Please Do. In the middle is Friends Rhythm, and Hoy, tama na. That's the Classical Jade by some 2 lengths, Street Song. Jacinet Blues moving up by the Queen Mamba and Prince Rhythm is running with Please Do, and a long way back to Hoy, tama na, Astra Pinay. Rounding the far turn, Classical Jade, Jacinet's Blue Street Song, Queen Mamba and Friends Rhythm is racing in fifth, and Please Do. Last 450, still Classical Jade, this time by some 3 lengths, Jacinet Blue Street Song, racing towards the final turn, and into the long Santa Ana stretch run with Classical Jade by some 2 lengths, Jacinet Blues, Street Song, Queen Mamba, Friends Rhythm, Please Do, and Hoy, tama na. And nearing the finish line, that's still Classical Jade, the favorite by some 6 lengths now. And finally, number 4, Classical Jade second. Jacinet Blues, Friends Rhythm, Queen Mamba, Street Song, Hoy, tama na. Please Do, and Astra